This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant fresh grass. First, clear your planting area thoroughly, removing any weeds, rocks, or debris that might hinder new growth. Next, loosen the top 2 to 4 inches of soil to create a good, aerated bed for healthy root development. Finally, conduct a soil test. This helps you understand the pH level and nutrient needs, ensuring your new lawn gets the best possible start. Choosing the right grass seed for your local climate and sun exposure is crucial for success. Warm-season grasses thrive in warmer areas, while cool-season varieties prefer cooler temperatures. Once you have your seed, use a broadcast spreader to apply it evenly across the prepared soil. Aim for the recommended coverage rate, often around 3 to 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet, to prevent patchy growth. After spreading the seeds, gently water the entire area immediately. Use a fine spray nozzle to avoid washing away the seeds. The key is to keep the top 1 inch of soil consistently moist, not soggy, for the next 2 to 3 weeks until germination occurs. You might also consider lightly covering the seeds with about 1/4 inch of peat moss or a fine topsoil to help retain moisture and protect them from birds. Continue to water regularly, especially during dry periods, ensuring the young grass roots establish deeply. Avoid heavy foot traffic or equipment on your new lawn for at least the first 4 to 6 weeks. When your new grass reaches about 3 to 4 inches in height, it is ready for its first mow. Only remove about 1/3 of the blade length at a time to promote stronger growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.